Hello there, hope 2018 is off to a good start for you. My favourite beauty website Into the Gloss released their second top 25 products of the year list late last year, and even though it's a new year now, let's start by using the best of the best, shall we? I'd been meaning to talk about which products I used from the list and I had a couple of requests, so here's a closer look at 5 items that featured in the top 25. I know ITG did send items to beauty bloggers to review, but these are all mine, been using some of them for 6 months and some of them for years. Coming in at number 1 was Pat McGrath Labs, the makeup line launch from the mother of dramatic fashion makeup. Don't have an eyeshadow palette, but I do have her Skin Fetish Illuminator kit in 003 Nude, which featured in an unboxing and review video last year. This 3-piece set is a slightly new take on highlighting. There's a double-ended stick with a smooth champagne gold highlighter on one end and a multi-purpose glossy balm on the other. Then a brush, which is quite wispy and gentle, but great for buffing the highlight in to look like it's part of your skin. And finally, an iridescent pink pigment, which is where things get really interesting and unique. I've never seen anything like this colour before. It's a pressed powder with violet, purple and magenta pigments, and it honestly looks like the eyeshadow a unicorn would wear. Making it dark shows just how crazy that pink is. She is a clever woman. Number 4 on the list were the Jillian Dempsey lid tints. I also featured these in a video last year and can't rave about them enough. If you're a fan of easy, creamy, sliding your fingers around beauty, you need to give these a go. Perfect for a sheer wash of colour that you almost can't overdo because the products are so low key. As I've said with other cream eye products, does it crease? Yes. Does it matter? No. A lived-in look is definitely part of the idea. I have the shades Dew, Peach, Bronze, Plum and Ruby, all of which are good multitaskers. Add Dew wherever you'd like a glow, and Peach and Ruby on your cheeks. ITG may be related to Glossier, but they definitely deserved a spot on 2017's hit list, and Haloscope was the chosen one, coming in at number 10. These Dew Effect highlighters are one of my favourite Glossier makeup products. I'd rate them alongside the RMS Living Luminizer as my favourite natural highlight. Dewy, glowy, never too intense. In fact, if you like strong highlighters, you might be disappointed by how natural these look. It's a real lit from within sheen. Quartz is a champagne colour, Topaz is bronze, and Moonstone is pearlescent. I'll leave my in-depth Haloscope review video linked down below. Glossier skincare review starting soon. ITG put the Burberry contour pens at number 19, but they've been in my top 5 makeup products for the last 2.5 years. These little pens are genius, such natural looking contour shades, and they're completely versatile. My medium shade has basically run out because I use it as a daily eyeshadow, such a nice soft warm brown. Then dark is designed for much richer skin tones, but I use it as a darker chocolate eyeshadow too. They're lightweight, smooth, and incredibly easy to blend. Seamless. Well done, Wendy Rowe. The Dior Addict Lip Sugar Scrub came in at number 20. Made famous last year by the face of Dior makeup Bella Hadid, and who wouldn't want her pillowy looking lips, this scrub is a neat little tool to have in your handbag. It does have a slight pink tint like their lip glow products, so you could use it alone, but this gentle, sugary sweet scrub leaves your lips soft and smooth and ready for lipstick. Since filming this, I've also finally got my hands on the Ordinary serums. They sat at number 9 on this list, and a review video will be coming very soon. I'd love to hear if you use any of the products that made the ITG top 25. I'll leave a link down below so you can go in and tick off the pieces you've tried. Lots of others I'd love to test out, like the Vintner's Daughter Serum, Sam McKnight's hair products, Bite Beauty lipsticks, and the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial. Please leave your recommendations below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.